Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this bronze makeup look for you. This is one of my favorite looks to wear, and most of the stuff in this video is from the drugstore, so it's all really affordable. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see how I get this look, keep watching. I've already primed my eyes, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm just putting it all over my eyelids so it'll give a good base for the darker colors we put on. And then I'm taking that top transition shade and putting that in my crease. I'll be blending my eyeshadow for like 10 minutes. Yeah, your hand needs to be cramping. That's when you know you're done blending your eyeshadow. And I'm using this warmer shade at the bottom, and I'm putting that in my crease too. And now I'm taking the dark brown shade in the palette and I'm putting it on my outer corner, and I'm just making sure it's blended all the way around. You don't want to put a ton of the dark brown on at first. You want to slowly build it up because it's a lot easier to build up color than it is to take it off. But yeah, I hope you guys can see how long I'm taking to blend this out. That's what's going to get your eyeshadow to look really good. And now I'm taking this champagne gold shade with my finger because I feel like it's not as shimmery when I use a brush. And I'm just packing it on my lid and making sure it's blended in with that dark brown color. I thought the look needed to be warmer, so now I'm taking this orange shade and I'm going to put that on my crease too. And now I'm going to wing my eyeliner. I don't really want to explain it in this video just because I want to do a separate one on that. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. Somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hopping, I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't want to get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? I do the face makeup after the eyeshadow just because I get fallout when I do my eyeshadow, and it's really annoying to clean up if your face is already done. I put concealer on under my eyes, sorry I forgot to show that, and now I'm just setting with powder everywhere, and then I'm bronzing my face. And I'm using the Anastasia contour kit for that. Anastasia is not at the drugstore, but they have it at TJ Maxx, so just letting you guys know. I haven't got my eyebrows threaded in a long time, so please ignore them, guys. But yeah, I'm just filling them in with the Dip Brow Pomade. And then I'm taking this clear mascara from Maybelline to keep my eyebrows in place. And now I'm just curling my lashes and putting on mascara, and then putting on my Ardell Wispy lashes. Why does it feel like we've been here before? Like running circles in the dark. Just know I'm ready to walk out your door. It was such a rush. And now I'm using the NYX Metallic Lip Cream. I want to go get all the other ones just because they feel like they're so lightweight and like you're not wearing anything. I love it.
I will love you better. I will love you better. Slow down, we're running on empty. It's getting harder to see that I will love you better than you know. I will love you better. I will love you better.
And then I'm going back into that Wet n Wild palette and taking that champagne shade again and putting it on my highlight area. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I hope you liked this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.